Welcome to the Skilled MBA Accounting and Finance Case Study Series. At Skilled MBA, we analyze mission-driven decisions that shape the future of high-impact organizations working at the grassroots level. Today's case features Just Grace, a non-profit established in 2012 in Cape Town, South Africa, dedicated to advancing quality education, career development, community upliftment in underserved areas. After notable success in the Langa township, Just Grace now faces a strategic inflection point: whether to expand operations to the rural Wild Coast region of the Eastern Cape. Key considerations in this case: evaluating resource allocation, organizational readiness, and partnership viability, ensuring mission alignment and adaptability in rural contexts with different infrastructure and cultural dynamics, balancing depth of impact in current areas with breadth of reach into new geographies, managing scalability risks, funding sustainability, and community-driven program customization. This case highlights the challenges and rewards of scaling social impact across diverse communities. Just Grace, founded in 2012, aims to deliver quality education, career development, and community upliftment in underserved areas. After thriving in Cape Town's Langa township, they now face a strategic choice: expanding into the rural Wild Coast of the Eastern Cape. This decision involves assessing potential impacts and challenges in a new, resource-constrained environment. Ethical leadership is crucial for nonprofit leaders, enhancing decision-making with a focus on citizenship. Evaluating strategic frameworks helps organizations navigate uncertainty effectively. Applying business acumen addresses expansion challenges in the social sector. Aligning impact models with sustainable development goals ensures relevance across diverse socio-economic contexts. This case is ideal for Master of Business Administration and nonprofit management programs. The strategic dilemma involves assessing whether the successful urban model in Langa can be adapted for the rural Wild Coast. Langa benefits from basic infrastructure, established partnerships, and proximity to resources. In contrast, the Wild Coast faces minimal infrastructure, unfamiliar stakeholders, and logistical challenges, requiring a tailored approach to address traditional rural dynamics effectively. In Langa Township, Just Grace has supported over 750 students since 2012, achieving an 85% program completion rate. With 62% of graduates securing meaningful employment, the initiative's success is evident. 14 local partnerships have been established, showcasing effective community-based collaborations. These outcomes highlight the program's impact within an urban setting. The Wild Coast region faces distinct challenges, including rural communities spread over large areas, strong traditional leadership, and limited infrastructure. Unemployment rates are higher than in urban areas, and educational needs differ significantly. These factors highlight the need for tailored approaches to address the unique socio-economic issues of the Wild Coast. Strategic thinking involves scaling missions within resource constraints, while empathy requires understanding marginalized voices. Context sensitivity is crucial for adapting to cultural nuances. Stakeholder engagement focuses on building cross-sector relationships, and ethical reasoning balances growth with mission integrity. These competencies are essential for addressing complex social impact decisions in the Wild Coast region. Assessing the feasibility of adapting urban educational models to rural settings involves tailoring programs to local needs. Just Grace must identify and empower Wild Coast community leaders to ensure effective local leadership. Building partnerships with government, non-governmental organizations, and private sectors is crucial for sustainability. Resource allocation and impact measurement are key to defining and tracking success. Aligning with Sustainable Development Goal 1, we focus on creating economic opportunities for rural youth. Sustainable Development Goal 4 emphasizes expanding access to quality education in underserved areas. Sustainable Development Goal 8 involves building skills for meaningful employment, fostering economic growth. Lastly, Sustainable Development Goal 10 addresses urban-rural divides, ensuring equitable resource distribution and opportunities. In classroom applications, students engage in small group analysis to develop recommendations, role-play from various stakeholder perspectives, and conduct financial modeling of expansion scenarios. They also discuss ethical dilemmas using structured frameworks and compare with other nonprofit scaling case studies, integrating multiple disciplines while considering real-world constraints and stakeholder perspectives. Exploring expansion models, replication involves directly copying the urban model with minimal changes. Adaptation requires significant modifications for the rural context. Innovation entails designing a new program specifically for the Wild Coast. Partnership involves collaborating with existing organizations. Each model impacts resources, timelines, community ownership, and potential outcomes differently. Expansion risks include mission drift, potentially diverting resources from effective Langa programs. Urban approaches might clash with rural traditions, causing cultural misalignment. Resource strain is a concern, as operational costs in remote areas could exceed budget projections. Additionally, distance management may create implementation gaps, affecting quality control and accountability. A decision framework is crucial for Just Grace's expansion. Key questions include mission alignment, ensuring the expansion aligns with core values, and contextual evidence, assessing if programs will succeed in new settings. Resource availability must be evaluated to avoid compromising current efforts. Community consultation with Wild Coast residents is essential, and a phased approach can mitigate risks while testing assumptions. Strategic vision in expansion requires alignment with organizational purpose and adaptation to new realities. Community-centered approaches ensure successful scaling through local partnerships. Balanced growth demands ambition, tempered by operational capacity and financial prudence. Ethical leadership is crucial as nonprofit leaders navigate growth opportunities while maintaining responsible stewardship. The Just Grace case highlights these complex challenges in expanding social impact effectively. Thank you for exploring this nonprofit growth strategy case study with Skilled MBA. We hope Just Grace's story provided valuable insight into expansion planning, rural engagement, and sustainable community impact. For more real-world case studies in nonprofit leadership, social innovation, and strategic decision-making, connect with us. Mobile +91 87553 0795. Email support@skilledmba.com. Website https://askskilledmba.com.